What are you waiting for? You got a gray hair. They call you uncle. They call you daddy. They call you grandpa. Share the knowledge of being a grandpa. Share the knowledge of being a daddy. Share the knowledge of being an uncle. That's all, and make money out of it. YouTube is not only for young people. YouTube is actually a platform of learning. And who's going to teach? If you don't know, you cannot teach. You have accumulated a lot of knowledge. This is the time for you to take your phone and teach people about what you know. This is your lifetime advice. I'm going to tell you, YouTube is your platform. Believe or not. Look at me. I got a gray hair today. I was not born with gray hair. This is a sign of wisdom. This is a sign of knowledge. This is a sign of growing old. Do you know the world wants to share your experience? Do you know the world wants to share your knowledge? Do you know the world wants to share your wisdom? Guys, if you are over 50, YouTube is for you.
Technician, entrepreneur, business people, traveler, Fokou Media is your channel. Subscribe, like, and share.
Let's say it again. If you are over 50, that means you have grown up. If you are over 50, that means you might be having a gray hair like me. If you are over 50, that means you got children. If you are over 50, that means you are a father or a mother. If you are over 50, that means you have been working somewhere. If you are over 50, that means you got experiences. If you are over 50, you got wisdom. If you are over 50, you got knowledge to share. If you are over 50, people want to listen to you. This is a time for you to motivate the young children. This is a time for you to share your knowledge with the world. People want to listen to you. People want to hear from your experience. People want to learn from you. They want to know from your experience so that they can do better. They want to know from your knowledge so that they can find a good way in life. If you are over 50, YouTube is the platform for you to be. The world needs your experience. The world needs your knowledge. The children of today need your guideline. The children of today want you to give them advice. The children of today want you to teach them. Use this YouTube street and teach them, because you got that wisdom. You got that knowledge. You got that experience. If you are more than 50, you need to teach them. You need to bring your knowledge in this platform and make money. You will have view. You don't care about thumbnail. You don't care about designing. You don't care about software. Just take your phone, put in front of you, make video. Tell the world what you know. Tell the world what you have been going through. Tell the world your experience and make money. What are you waiting for? At your 50, you are 50 years old and more. You got a gray hair like me. You got a gray hair like me. What are you waiting for? How are you preparing your retirement? YouTube can make you gain money you have never touched with your hand in your lifetime. So I'm advising you, if you are more than 50 years old or less, go to YouTube, take your phone, make video, share your knowledge because you got knowledge. Share your experience of life because you got that experience. Share your wisdom because you got it. It's not for nothing that you got a gray hair. It's not for nothing that God keep you in this world till age of 50 and more. It's not for nothing that God make you to be a father. It's not for nothing that you were working in that company. It's not for nothing that you were having that business. You accumulate wisdom in your journey. You did accumulate knowledge in your journey, experience in your journey, in being working in that company, being having that business. Why don't you share it here and make money out of it? This is a time for you to take your phone and start make video for YouTube and make money, and you can prepare a good retirement. You can avoid going to old age house. You can avoid your children to struggle for you. This is a time for you to inspire the young people. This is a time for you to inspire people who are doing what you used to do. This is a time for you to inspire those who are starting the business you used to do. This is a time for you to inspire young people. If you are 50 or more, YouTube is the platform. You have to start it now. Start it now. Take your phone and start making video and make money out of it. What are you waiting for? You got a gray hair. They call you uncle. They call you daddy. They call you grandpa. Share the knowledge of being a grandpa. Share the knowledge of being a daddy. Share the knowledge of being an uncle. That's all, and make money out of it. YouTube is not only for young people. YouTube is actually a platform of learning. And who's going to teach? If you don't know, you cannot teach. You have accumulated a lot of knowledge. This is the time for you to take your phone and teach people about what you know. We don't care. We don't care about what people will say. We don't care about what they're going to tell us. We don't care about what they're going to see. We care about ourselves. I'm so shocked about what people are making in YouTube just by taking camera and talk. You got knowledge. Anywhere, all of us will go one day. All of us will die one day. So this is the time. Use this opportunity and take out your camera and start making video. And you'll make money out of it. This is the time for you to avoid old age house. Who want to go and stay in old age house? Even though if you are in old age house, what you need to do, take your camera. Take your camera. Take your camera and talk about your life in old age house. Take the camera and talk about how you pass your life in old age house. Take the camera and talk about how old people pass their day and make money out of it. You got a lot of things up here. You got knowledge. You got experience. You got wisdom. What are you doing with? You keep it for you. After all, we're not going to stay here forever. After all, counts for 100 years from now, all of us will be gone. But what you're going to leave behind is that legacy. You leave behind your knowledge because you put it in YouTube. You leave behind your experience because you put it in YouTube. You leave behind your story. Your children, your grandchildren will know about you through your experience, through your knowledge, through your wisdom. What are you waiting for, guys? Go. Start it now. Take your phone, start making video, post it on YouTube. If you don't know how to post it in YouTube, look somebody around you who's going to show you how to post on YouTube. It's very easy. Put the camera in front of you, press record, start sharing your knowledge. Start sharing what you know. Start sharing the story you have gone through. Start sharing the experience you got in marriage. We need you guys to teach the young people how to live in the family. You were successful in your marriage because you apply some strategy. You were successful in your business because you apply some strategy. You were successful at work and gain promotion because you did apply some strategy. You need to share those things. You are a good father because you have strategy. You apply some experience. You went through challenges and you know how to cope with challenges. This is the time for you to share this knowledge in YouTube and make money. I am aging today, and then I realized that we need your wisdom. We need your knowledge. If you are over 50, we need your life advice. What is your life advice? What can you leave behind? What can we remember you with? If it's not your wisdom, if it's not your knowledge, if you are over 50, this is the time to share this knowledge in YouTube. Don't care about what people say. Remember, YouTube is powerful and you need to be part of YouTube creator. You need to be here. You need to create. You need to share your wisdom. Share your wisdom and make money. That was Alphonse Fokou from Fokou Media. If you like this, please do subscribe. Subscribe to the channel so that we can share.